If your company is rolling out a new CRM or struggling with the one you already have, you know it's not just about picking the right system. It's about actually making it work. A CRM should streamline operations, improve customer interactions, and make life easier for your team. But in reality, implementations often hit roadblocks, bad data, low adoption, or just a system that doesn't actually fit your business needs. In this video, I'm breaking down the most common CRM implementation challenges, and more importantly, how to fix them fast. We'll talk about everything from data migration nightmares to user resistance, and the one thing companies forget that leads to failed implementations. Let's get into it. Challenge number 1, bad data. Here's the deal. Your CRM is only as good as the data that's inside of it. If you migrate a mess, you're just creating a more expensive mess. And yet, so many companies just dump everything from their old system into the new one without cleaning it up first. So here's how to avoid that mistake. Audit your data before migration. Identify duplicates, outdated contacts, and incomplete records. Standardize formats. If your sales team is entering phone numbers 5 different ways, that inconsistency will cause reporting issues down the line. Decide what actually needs to move. Not every record is worth bringing over. If a contact hasn't engaged in 5 years, do you really need it? The cleaner your data, the smoother your CRM implementation. It's as simple as that. Challenge number 2, low user adoption. A CRM is useless if your team won't use it. And trust me, forcing people to change their workflow without explaining why, that's a fast track to failure. If you're hearing complaints like, this is too complicated, or I don't have time for this, here's how to fix it. Make sure that the CRM is actually fitting the workflows. If it's slowing people down instead of helping them, they're not going to use it. Customize dashboards and processes to match how your team actually works. Train them properly. One quick demo is not enough. Give them hands-on training, show them the time-saving features, and make sure that they see the value. Appoint CRM champions. Find the power users within your company who can help drive adoption and answer any questions. User adoption isn't just about selling the software. It's about showing people how to make their lives easier so that they'll want to actually use it. Challenge number 3, integration issues. No man is an island, and your CRM shouldn't be an island either. It needs to connect with your other tools, email, marketing, automation, ERP, whatever your company already relies on. If it doesn't, you're stuck with siloed data and manual workarounds. Here's how to avoid these integration headaches. Check the compatibility before choosing a CRM. Not every system will play nice together. Use pre-built connectors whenever possible. Many CRMs have integrations with popular tools, so take advantage of them. Consider middleware if needed. If your CRM or other systems don't natively connect, you can use tools like Zapier and custom APIs to help bridge that gap. A CRM should make your tech stack more efficient, not add extra steps. Challenge number 4, lack of clear processes. A CRM isn't just meant to be a database. It's a workflow tool meant to help. But if you don't define your processes up front, you're going to end up with inconsistent data and frustrated teams. Some key things to establish is lead qualification criteria. What counts as a qualified lead? If sales and marketing all have different definitions, your pipeline's going to be a mess. The pipeline stages. Everyone should know what each stage means and when to move deals forward. Data entry rules. Decide what fields are required and enforce consistency. Otherwise, you're going to get incomplete records that won't help anyone. Set the rules early and your CRM will actually support your business instead of causing confusion and frustration for your users. Challenge number 5, lack of ongoing maintenance. A CRM implementation, unfortunately, is not like Ronco's famous rotisserie machine where you can just set it and forget it. If you don't regularly maintain your CRM, things are going to start to break down. You're going to have outdated data, unused features, and people are going to go back to their old habits. To keep it running smoothly, schedule regular data cleanups. This can be up to you, but I suggest every quarter, just removing duplicates and updating any stale contacts. Also, talk to your team. If they aren't using certain features, ask them why. Maybe they need better training, or maybe the setup needs adjusting. And track key CRM adoption metrics. Look at login activity, data entry rates, and pipeline movement to help spot any potential issues before they get out of hand. A well-maintained CRM is a powerful tool. A neglected one is just another piece of software that nobody wants to use, just like the treadmill in the corner with all the clothes piled on top of it. A A CRM can be amazing for your team and business, but only if it's implemented correctly. Clean your data before migration. Train your team properly. Integrate it with the tools you already use. Set clear processes. And most importantly, don't just launch it and walk away. Keep improving your CRM and it'll keep helping you. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's been your biggest CRM challenge? Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.